Hey Priyanka, did you get an OTP?
Well, let me check. Oh, yes, I have. So, are we on?
Yes, we are on. Hi everyone. Welcome to our very first episode of Office Tales and People podcast.
As we call it, OTP.
I am Shikha Mittal, founder of BRC Awareness Experts. We are a learning and development enterprise and have developed multiple training and awareness projects for over 400 organizations.
I am Priyanka Gidwani. I have 30 years of experience with the Tata and Mahindra Group, making a difference to people's lives, impacting change, currently working with organizations to drive transformation.
And we are super excited to deliver
Our first OTP.
So what can you expect in this podcast?
All Indian organizations इतना grow कर रही हैं, they are progressing, सबको growth चाहिए, but people challenges तो वही के वही हैं. They just don't understand कि ये challenges है क्या और क्यों हो रहे हैं. What is the why behind these challenges?
And that's why we aim to deliver OTP as often as we can so that we can bring some unfiltered conversations from the corporate world
With CHROs and HR leaders across various organizations to bring about these office tales and people matters to the table.
Priyanka, I really want to talk about these real challenges at the workplace, especially ये attrition के number organizations इतने गलत दिखाते हैं. But मुझे जानना है कि ये attrition इतना ज़्यादा क्यों हो रहा है? Why there is so much of increase in the toxic culture? And one of my favorite topics कि March 8th को पिंक प्रोडक्ट वाले वाउचर्स ये अपने विमेन एम्प्लॉयज को क्यों देने लगते हैं? व्हाट्स द डील?
वो क्या है ना, वो समझते ही नहीं है. They don't understand their women employees. ना कभी उनसे बात करी है, ना कभी उनसे पूछा है सर्वे करके या फोकस ग्रुप करके कि आपको चाहिए कि अपने करियर को ग्रो करने के लिए. वो समझ ही नहीं रहे हैं कि क्या चाहिए, तो इजी वे आउट ले लेते हैं कि चलो एक पिंक वाउचर थमा दिया तो मार्च 8 का टिक बॉक्स हो गया.
So Priyanka, you have spent over 30 years in the corporate world with Tatas, Mahindras. What has been your experience when it comes to toxic bosses and what do you have to say about it?
So toxic bosses तो होते हैं शिका, हर organizations में होते हैं. There will be toxic bosses. What they don't realize as leaders is leadership is about giving and not taking. They create an environment of fear, an environment which kills creativity and does not focus on a successful future of the organization.
So, what is your opinion in terms of a leader? What should he or she do to not be toxic?
So the leader has to remember to be a coach. Create a coaching environment. ये all the time demanding कि मुझे ये बना दो, अब ये कर दो. You also have to teach them a little bit on how to do it. You as a leader have learnt it from someone and you should pass it on. And therefore being a leader is also about being a coach and a mentor.
But Priyanka, often ना leaders सोचते हैं कि वो उनका position ले लेंगे.
हाँ.
So how do you would like to tell these leaders not to be insecure?
So what I have done is अगर आप उनको नहीं सिखाओगे और अपनी जगह नहीं लेने दोगे तो आप कैसे ग्रो होंगे? You have to, if you want to grow up, you have to get somebody ready to take your own place. अगर आप वो नहीं करोगे तो आप उनकी ग्रोथ नहीं, अपनी ग्रोथ भी रोक रहे हो. आप क्यों रुक रहे हो? आप क्यों नहीं बोर्ड पे जाना चाहते हो? पर आपकी रोल के लिए कोई रेडी होगा तब तो आप आगे ग्रो करोगे. So Shika, you have 14 years of experience. You worked with 400 organizations. इतने सारे एम्प्लॉइज, मैनेजर्स, लीडर्स के साथ आपने काम किया है. What in your view is the myth or the biggest myth about HR?
One of the biggest myths that I have to share, which I think most of the people will know, कि HR सिर्फ टेबल चेयर लगवाते हैं, रंगोली बनवाते हैं, इवेंट्स कराते हैं और मस्ती करवाते हैं. But to be very honest, what I have learned in my journey is that HR is the real person who has the maximum power to drive change in an organization, build that culture and in fact destroy culture. HR चाहे तो बना भी सकता है और बिगाड़ भी सकता है. And that's something that I have learned कि HR को कभी भी हमें underestimate नहीं करना चाहिए और उनके पास जो power है वो अगर अच्छे से यूज करने लग गए, जिसकी फ्रीडम बहुत सारे HR मैनेजर्स, HR लीडर्स के पास नहीं है. अगर वो मिल जाए तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस का जो भी रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट दे आर थिंकिंग अबाउट, या फिर वो लोग सोच रहे हैं कि दे वांट टू हैव रियली बिग ग्रोथ इन टर्म्स ऑफ देयर रेवेन्यू, it all is possible the moment HR leaders get the full power to drive positive culture in the organization.
You're absolutely spot on. And that's why we're unwrapping Office Tales and People Matters, because we both are absolutely passionate about people.
And we want to make a difference in the lives of people at the workplace. So we are trying our best that our Office Tales and People podcast will bring a lot of conversations that are still unwrapped.
So we are here, both of us together, because we want to see organizations thrive and not just survive.
So buckle up, people. Our first few episodes are packed with surprises, some guests and candid conversations.
So if you like what you hear, please hit the subscribe button and leave us a review. Also, you must have heard not to share your OTP with anyone.
But this OTP must be shared.